So this is the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis. This happens on the thylakoid membrane, here, within a chloroplast. Here is the stroma of the chloroplast, here is the thylakoid membrane, and here is the thylakoid lumen, the space within the thylakoid. On the membrane, we have these proteins here called photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Within the reaction centre of each photosystem, there is a pigment known as chlorophyll A. This contains magnesium. As light photons hit the magnesium within chlorophyll A at the reaction centre of photosystem 2, it excites two electrons, which leave the magnesium of photosystem 2 and travel down an electron transport chain in a series of redox reactions into photosystem 1. Here they replace the electrons that are lost from photosystem 1. To replace the electrons that are lost from photosystem 2, photolysis of a water molecule must happen. This produces two E negative electrons, two H plus ions and half a water molecule. As the electrons travel down the electron transport chain, this energy is used to pump H plus ions from the stroma across the thylakoid membrane and into the thylakoid lumen in a process called chemiosmosis. We get a high concentration of H plus ions in the thylakoid lumen. This creates a very steep concentration gradient of H plus ions, so they are wanting to move back into the stroma. They do this via ATP synthase, another protein molecule on the thylakoid membrane. They travel up here, and when they get to the stroma, they combine a molecule of ADP with a phosphate group to produce ATP. One electron that leaves photosystem 1 is used to reduce one H plus ion, which is used to reduce a molecule of NADP into a molecule of NADPH. This is known as non-cyclic photophosphorylation. But what happens in photosystem 1 is only one electron is used to reduce this H plus ion. The other electron is recycled, so it goes back into photosystem 1 to be used again for the reducing process. That's known as cyclic photophosphorylation.